So, hi guys, mga untag balot. Nakapalit kog balot ganina dito sa sa Steph Sari-Sari Store. Nakita na ko. Luto na siya guys, pero ako ra siyang gikuan, giinit. Dili pa matan ako ni Karon ron ugma pa man ta Sunday. Nya akong anak mo tila kuno siya isa ka zip. Saan na lang so, andam na tong pinakurat asan og coke. So I'm going to call Alana now. Now you try the balut. But if you go I think I make false.
Yeah, it's upside down.
It's supposed to be here.
Okay, now this side.
Nah, it's correct.
No.
Because it's hard there. Pinoko. Yeah, it's correct. I'm correct. So, baloo. Ow!
What's out?
It's ice. It's hot. So, I put salt. Uy, lami ni siya. Kay gamay og piso. What, you scared? I put salt.
I don't like that.
But you're the one who said you want to try. Okay, come, you try the balut.
Wait.
Not only the water first, the soup inside. Then Shpeta, I let you eat the yellow.
No.
Nah, the egg, the yellow. Okay. Look away. Oh, that is just
Oh, that's hot.
yeah. Oh, pala! Ang phone.
I got it on
You
my
like the
tongue.
soup?
I-
Okay, come on. I blew already. On? The soup you like.
Yes.
Sabaw ko na yung ganan.
That is hot.
Gamay, you look. That's the body?
Ew, that's the body.
That's the piso. Amay mo lang man siya daw.
No, that's the body.
That's the piso. O narang piso guys. Oh.
No, stop.
Huh?
That's it.
Yeah, that's a duck.
You're killing.
Pero dako raman siya. But I don't like to eat because it's too big. But it's too big. Dako ra siya. Dako ra.
Duck.
Yeah, for sure it's a real duck.
Wait, what? Wait,
Dako
what
ra siya.
was
Di ko
that?
ganan og dako. Nah, it's too big for me. I don't like when it's too big. Dako ra siya. Di ko ganan mo kon basta dako. So we
Why
just put
did
it
you
there.
not cook?
Nah, I don't. It's
one?
cooked, but I don't like the
No, I
big
mean,
one.
why did you cook not?
Not what? That is cool. That's why it's balut. It's
No.
called balut because there's inti inside. There's a little fish naman. There's a little
If
chicken
if
duck
you-
inside. Oh, you can eat this one.
If
Oh,
Mama-
the eye.
If you couldn't cook another one, then we can get a free duck.
Yeah, come you try. That is the egg. The yellow. Come.
Put it.
You're so.
I don't.
Oh, like that die or like that.
It looks like pee.
What is come? That is the yellow. Buang magwana. Oy. Hoy, even Paula, you give me tissue. Even Paula, Uncle Peter eat that balut, you know? You eat that one. You're so OAI. Oh, you're too OA. That is the eye, okay? That is the eye. That is the yellow, okay? Sa mukha niya akong anak ko.
Yeah.
Sa mukha. Pero naba ko'y duha ka balot niya. Di mo ko
Well,
ganahan.
I don't
jud
like
og kuan,
it.
oy. Wala. Di ko ganahan. Ug dakong piso jud ay.
I want to pet the chicken. Wait, I want to pet the chicken.
Ana, don't play. Later, I don't like to eat anymore.
Just pet.
Come on, you eat the yellow.
I want to pet the chicken.
Alana, I'm telling you, that is not chicken, that is duck. Don't
I
play,
mean,
cause
duck.
maybe later I'm not what, I don't have appetite to eat. Don't play that one.
Why are you eating
Mukha
the
niya,
chicken?
Na, I don't like when
The
it's too
duck.
big. I don't like when it's too big. Sa mukha niya.
It's not big.
So you try the white one. This white one. Just that white. Just bite. Hey, Gabi ka.
Ah, that's hot. Why is it?
Ah,
Why is it a bit like?
like what?
that.
That is the suka. Isig. Ah, you try, You bite, how can you bite the carb? Try din na. You eat. It's more good. You like more this one?
Yeah, only down.
You can have a
It's feeling like I'm eating onion.
eating onion. So, ang balot, so, the price of the balot is 3 euro. Ilan man yun? 3 euro times 67 naman ang rate from. So, mga 200 tsaka pin. 200 pesos ang isa. Abutan na natong 200. Diba? Buwang magkuha niya akong anak ko eh.
At salt.
So, ikatlong balot na siya. Yung pangalawa, hindi ako nakapag-video. Pero kinain ko yung, yung duck kasi maliit siya. Pero yung pangatlo is para siyang yung, yung balot sa puti. No, excuse me po. Ako. See? Ayaw kumain ng asawa ko. Sabi niya sa Pilipinas lang daw. Pag fresh. Ay, nako. So, last balot. Parang bumalik. Buisit. Hindi na tayo sanay kumain ng balot. Pero iba talaga pag nasa Pilipinas. Masarap yung balot sa atin. Ay, naku. Pala. Namiss ko kasi. Dapat pala, dalawa na lang yung binili ko. Ayan guys. Salamat sa pag-watch.